Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the payment method in the Amazon application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the your account button. And here within the payments section, click on the payments and transactions button. And the cards and accounts section, click on the add button. And then just click on the add a debit or credit card. So you can scan your card, or you can just type that it manually. So first you have to provide your name that's on the card, your card number, and the expiration date. And once you did that, just click on the add your card button, and your card will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.